Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our page. To do it we have to click on here. Then we have to select inches from here. Then we have to select pixels or inches from here. Then we have to select this box. Then we have to type here 3.5. Then we have to select this box and we have to type here 2. Then we have to select this text. Then we have to type here 300. Then we have to click on the OK. So friends, first of all we have to select the shape tool. Then we have to select the round shape from here. Then we have to press and hold the shape key and we have to draw this shape in here. Then we have to select the move tool. Then we have to press and hold the shift key again, then increase the size of this. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to select this shape again, then we have to press and hold the Alt key and take a copy from this shape. Then we have to press and hold the shift key again, then we have to decrease the size of this shape. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to click on here, then click on the color, then select the blue color, then we have to click on the OK. Then we have to select these layers, then drag and drop this layer in here. Then we have to select this layer, then we have to go to the layer panel, then we have to double click on here, then we have to select this color, then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to select this, then double click on here, then I have to select this color from here, then I have to click on the OK. After that, I have to select this layer again, then I have to right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the stroke, then I have to click on here, then I have to select this color, then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to increase the size of stroke. After that, we have to click on the OK. After that, we have to select this layer. Then I have to right click on here. Then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the stroke. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to select the orange color. Then we have to click on the OK. Now we have to increase the size of stroke. Then I have to click on the OK. After that, we have to select the pen tool. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to press and hold the Alt key. Then I have to click on the anchor point. Then I have to click on here, here, and here. Then I have to click on the fill color. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select the red color, then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to drag and drop this layer under these layers. Now I have to select this layer, then I have to press and hold the Alt key and take a copy from this layer. Then I have to double click on here. Then I have to change the color of this layer, then I have to click on the OK. After that, we have to double click on here, then I have to select this color from here, then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to select this, then I have to double click on here, then I have to select this color again. Then I have to select this color from here, then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to select this layer again, then I have to right click on this layer, then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the stroke. After that, I have to click on the color, then I have to select the white color from here. Then I have to decrease the size of stroke. Then I have to click on the OK. Now we have to select these layers, then I have to click on the lock icon. Then we have to select these layers, then we have to press and hold the Alt key and take copy from these layers. Then you have to press and hold the shift key and decrease the size of these layers. After decrease the size, we have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this, then right click on that, then click on blending option. Then you have to go to the stroke, then you have to decrease the size of stroke. Then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then you have to press and hold the shift key and decrease the size of this layer. Then you have to click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select this layer again, then you have to increase the size of these layers. After that, you have to click on the tick mark. Now we have to design the other things of this business card. So look at this attentively. After that, we have to select these shapes. Then we have to click on the lock icon. Then we have to select this. Then we have to right click on here. Then click on the blending option. Then we have to click on the color overlay. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to select this color. Then we have to click on the OK. Then we have to select this. Right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then we have to click on the color overlay. Then OK. After that, we have to drag and drop this profile icon in here. Then we have to press and hold the shift key and decrease the size of this shape. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay. Then we have to click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Now we have to select the text tool, then we have to click on here, then write your number in here. Then you have to select this text. Then you have to press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard. Then you have to click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then press and hold the shift key and increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the text tool again, then you have to click on here, then write your email in here. Then you have to press Ctrl plus A button. Then you have to click on here, then you have to select the black color. Then you have to click on here and increase the size of this text. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the move tool, then you have to select the text tool again, then you have to click on here. Then you have to write your website name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the text tool again, then you have to click on here, then write your location in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then select the move tool, then drag and drop this in here. Then you have to select these layers, then drag and drop this in here, then select this, then drag and drop this in here. Then select these layers, then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select the text tool again, then you have to click on here, then write your name in here. Then you have to press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard, then you have to click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then you have to click on here, then select this font style, then click on the tick mark. Then select the move tool, then press and hold the shift key and increase the size of this. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Now we have to select the profile icon, then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark again, then you have to unlock this. Then you have to select this layer, then you have to press and hold the Alt key and take a copy from this layer. then you have to decrease the size of this. After that, you have to select the profile icon, then you have to right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Now you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After opening the logo, you have to drag and drop this logo in your business card. Then you have to decrease the size of this. Then you have to set this logo in here. After set the logo, you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to decrease the size of this. Then you have to select the text tool. Then you have to click on here. Then write your company name in here. Then you have to select this text. Then you have to click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Select the move tool. Then press and hold the shift key and increase the size of this. After that, you have to select these layers, then you have to press and hold the shift key and decrease the size of this. After that, you have to click on the tick mark, then select this text, then drag and drop this text in here. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After open the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the project. Then you have to unlock these layers. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to drag and drop this layer in here. Then you have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to click on here. Then you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.